I'm here at the Product Management Essentials course. Looking to understand more about being a product manager and what other people are doing. I think just being able to get out of your day-to-day and be around others who are doing similar things, like you kind of find out other people are really focused on something that you weren't even thinking about, and it's like, oh, I should maybe be thinking about it as well. Yeah, I really love that the trainers are actually coming from their own jobs maybe during the rest of the week, and they're bringing that experience and like what they're seeing day to day, like the things that they might be finding really hard, things that have worked for them. So like having people who have actually been through it themselves I think is really important, not just kind of like trainers, who are trainers full time teaching us, but people who are doing this all the time. So the format's really good, being able to kind of learn and interact with them. They're asking a lot more questions. It's not like kind of sitting there just listening and taking it in. You're actually engaging, and they make a big point of that. So, and then even in our groups, just being able to, again, learn from others. Like when we're kind of doing what we do in our business, like just being able to talk to others about what they're doing and what's hard for them, I think is a nice way to just build up your own skills. I'm really excited to be in a room with other product people. I mean, from a business, where I'm the only product person right now, it's just, you get in your own kind of bubble of like what you're doing and what you think is right. And then just getting other opinions on, who's doing what where and at different scales as well. I mean, they might be coming from a brand new startup, or they've actually been there, done that, working with multiple product people is like somewhere that I'd like to get to, like being able to talk to them about, okay, what changed when you went from a smaller company to a bigger company, and as a bigger company, as that grows, like how do you keep up? Yeah, I would absolutely recommend this course, kind of any of the ones that I've done with Mind the Product. For myself, I'm in my process and what we do at our company all the time, not with many other product people. So just finding out like what other people are doing in their businesses and like what's kind of popular and what I might not be thinking about has been really valuable.